Hello, Bal-Dez here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today we have this topic here, how to run Asciiquarium on macOS and Linux, Terminal Aquarium Guide. So first of all, what is Asciiquarium? Let's find it out here with Google. Asciiquarium is a simple fun program that displays an animated aquarium in your terminal using ASCII-art. So how we can install it, you can just open your terminal, like from here. You have your terminal, I have it opened here. If you have this Brood package manager installed on your terminal, you can just write brew and install, and you write the name here, Asciiquarium, and you press enter. So as you can see here, it is done. And now how we can test it, we can just write this one, Asciiquarium, from here and see if it is working. So here, Asciiquarium, and here we go. As you can see here, the phone started from here. So you can have this one if you're on an idle on your work, and if you wanna, for example, go out from this one, you just press Ctrl+C from your keyboard, and as you can see here, it's gone. And if you want to go back again, you just use your arrow key from your keyboard, and you have the same name here, Asciiquarium. Press enter. You can even occupy all the screen from your PC or computer. So if you find this one fun and interesting, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.